You know, when you go to work, you've ever known that really arrogant, narcissistic, gaslighty person? You know the one in your workplace. In the realm of the UK, the Department of Education, they're the narcissistic, gaslighty people. Have you seen this yet? An apology statement. This is absolutely wild. Literally, just read what it says. It's absolutely ridiculous. Here it is. I'm just going to leave it on the screen for a while. Basically, what it's saying is that it's just a self-serving prophecy. It's just like, you know, it's the equivalent of Prince removing his ribs so he can himself. This is what the Department of Education are doing right just here. Oh, we've provided so many amazing clubs for schools and children that need a really good start in life. We've done this, we've done that. That's amazing. Oh, we are so good. We are so, you know what? We're going to pat ourselves on the back just there. Literally. Oh, just have a quick read of that. There you go. Just screenshot that and just have a look. Completely tone deaf, sarcastic. I don't know why they've written that word. It's not an apology. That's gaslighting, right? So this tongue-in-cheek post framed as an apology statement lists the supposed merits that they've done. So basically pretty much what I've just said just there. But it's been massively criticised by some really big players in the teaching social influencer space. And this is crazy as well. So it's literally said this when they're getting more and more teachers. When it said that, it is teachers leaving the education system was at its highest. Are they all right? I quite like this guy, actually. He's pretty cool. So the General Secretary, Pepe, of the union ASCL, say that the claim raised bar is alarming. As literally look pretty much what I just said just there. It's lowest since 2019. They're just so far removed from it. It's like, you know, you ever seen The Secret Millionaire? You know, where they go in and they could be the owner of, I don't know, Burger King, and they go in and get their hands dirty and do, you know, and check out the stuff and stuff. They're so far removed, they don't know what's happening. This is what I believe the Department of Education are doing right now. They don't have a clue. They're just patting themselves on the back when they don't realise that teachers' wellbeing is at an all-time low. I think the number one reason why teachers are leaving is behaviour and the lack of support in the school environment. And the spokesperson from NASQUAT has said that this really, it's just this. They're all saying it. They're so out of touch. The Department of Education is so out of touch. So just to polish off with this, if you're a teacher, well, first of all, if you're a teacher, have you seen this yet? Have you seen this on social media, or have you discussed it in the staff room? I'd love to know your thoughts on this. I don't know if I'm going a bit over the top, I don't know, but it just seems like a sarcastic, look at us, we're better than you, we're amazing, we're providing, and they're not taking the most important people, that we're not taking into consideration, the most important people in the education system. Who are they? The people on the ground, teachers. What do you think?